Specifically, yeah, that girl, she had nocturnal asthma for 2 months. Ingon ng doctor, ma'am, ang kanang nebulizer, iyahan na dyan na, connected na dyan na niya. Hindi na niya mawa. Sir, kudok, oy, lisod kaayo, lisod kasi siya nebulize. Wherever we go, magdatong siya sa iyang nebulizer. Yeah, wherever we go. But that, that incident, like 2 months nocturnal asthma, my daughter told me, I don't want to use the nebulizer anymore. Okay, it's because after using the nebulizer, mag-palpitate siya. Mag-palpitate siya. And the following day, di na siya ganahan ng eskwela. Yan, sayang. So, di na siya ganahan ng eskwela. And my husband suggested intrajuice. It was all because he had this friend, one of his friends had prostate cancer. And naayo siya because of lifestyle products. Stage 4 cancer. Naayo siya because of lifestyle products. Ubak pa kahano. So that day, I messaged Jemty Wilma. We bought 1 bottle. 1 bottle sa kay mahal lagi ka mahal ko no. But of course, after 4 days of taking products, that's why intrajuice, I call it as a miracle juice. After 4 days of taking intra products, wala nag-atake sa hubak akong anak.
Wow.
Nakatulog na siya tarong. At ako sa nakatulog na sa kong tarong. Uy, kanina bang mama, no, sa masakit atong anak. Apil sa ta. Definitely apil siya. Tadi ta matug. Kaya ito taga ko, naginawa pa baka akong anak, no? Actually, in anak ko, I am a very paranoid mother. Kung masakit akong anak, sinta na, naginawa pa baka akong anak, no? I am like that. So, yeah, because of them, naayos sila. And since naayo man sila, ako sa siya ka-introduce akong papa. Because I love my parents. So akong papa, he used to have chronic kidney disease. So na siya kidney failure. So kung ato ng kidney masakit, that's why we need to take care. We need to take care of our kidney. Kaya kung natin yung problema sa itong kidney, it will affect different organs of our body. So because of that, nag-heart enlargement siya. Hypertension, taas iyang sugar, actually nahubang na to iyang mata, nag-arthritis siya, so tanan. So, unfortunately, nag-take siya og mga synthetic medicines. But, iyang lawas, di ganahan ng synthetic medicines, kaya mag-allergy siya. Mag-allergy siya, ingon siya, yan ang taguon iyang mga maintenance. It's because mga tulad siya pag-ayo. So, I told my papa to drink the Better Together kit. So, kay love man ako kong parents, so I and my sister, so kami nag-supply niya og lifestyle products. And through enough, my dad, he's enjoying his life right now, doing farming. So, nag-enjoy na siya, and he become very healthy because of lifestyle products.
Yeah.
Amazing products. Yeah, I'm very proud, Jen. I'm very proud that I discovered lifestyle products.